Hi, this particular notification is for students who have finished 12th standard and are looking for applying for graduation. Specifically in Maharashtra for the BMS, BBA, CET, for BMS, BBA, if you want admission to different colleges in Maharashtra, you have this entrance exam which is there. So they have already held this exam, so there is one more exam which is being held. So all the people who have given the previous exam can write this exam, plus anyone new who wants to write the exam can write the exam. So there is a high chance that the number of applicants in the previous case must have been lesser, so they wanted more applicants to fill the seats, and therefore they must be holding this re-exam. Okay, so people who are not aware of the exam can write, as I said, and people who are already given the exam can also write the examination. So there are classes which have been running entrance exam for various mandatory entrance, right from CAT to the IPMAT to BBA, etc. Coming to the whole notification, if you go to the website CET cell, you will see this particular BCA, BBA, BMS, CET exam which is there. So this is the additional exam which they clearly mentioned it's an additional examination. And if you look at it, though the notification mentioned 19 June out here, the exam will be held on 19 July and 28 July. Right. So if you're interested, do apply for it. If you have already given the exam previous, you can again write the examination. So do write the examination. Even if you've got some admission somewhere and you feel you can get a better college, do write the examination as a backup. No harm in doing that, right? So all the students finishing 12th, you can do apply for the particular examination as such. Thank you.